The Stromo Copenhagen Key Organizer. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. I have the Stromo Copenhagen Key Organizer. This is an attractive looking key organizer and you can pick this up online for $12. I have the link in the description below. So let's take a look. The key organizer came in this fancy black box and was packaged well. In the box, you get a container of extra spacers and extension rods depending on how many keys you will use. You can put up to 18 keys on this organizer. It comes with a carabiner and a SIM card removal tool. The body of the organizer is a zinc alloy and has a shiny black finish. It has a bottle opener and also a hook. It's well put together and does not feel flimsy at all. So let's go ahead and put some keys on it. I'm going to use 6 keys for this demonstration. As I mentioned earlier, it can hold up to 18. You can use a coin to unscrew it or any flathead screwdriver. We'll start off by unscrewing the 2 screws and removing the top plate. Once you've removed the top plate, go ahead and remove the rubber spacers and then place the keys one at a time with a spacer in between. Start off with one side and then do the other side. When that's completed, put the top plate back on and tighten the screws. Start off by using your hands and then a coin or a flathead to do the final adjustments. You don't want to over tighten the screws or else the keys will not move freely. Now the keys are installed and you can see the nice spacing between them. The keys move freely and easily with no issues. The organizer looks very sleek and it feels solid in the hands. The Stromo Copenhagen Key Organizer. Another options for those that are seeking out to organize their keys. This is a good organizer that is priced well and comes with a few extras. If you liked my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.